So I just picked up my order from Walmart, and it is my Nintendo Switch. So I just wanted to do a vlog with me picking it up. So I'm gonna drive home now and then get that set up. So talk to you guys later. All right, so I am back home and I did pick up, so I went to go pick it up. I've been trying to get my hands on a Nintendo Switch Lite for so long, but since, you know, Corona has been here, it's been kind of difficult to. So I placed mine actually last week, and I was supposed to get it that same day, but I guess maybe they accidentally put it on display and someone probably took it. But they made me wait a week, which, you know, I was like understandable because times are kind of rough. But I wanted to get like the yellow or the blue Nintendo Switch, but unfortunately they were sold out everywhere. I was staying up to like 3 or 4 in the morning every single day and I had no luck. So I found this gray one at like 4 in the morning on the Walmart website. I was trying Best Buy, everything. My best luck was Walmart, but I know Best Buy has been doing some good ones. But I'm gonna go ahead and open the box and get inside. I'm really excited. I've been waiting and watching so many YouTube videos on this stuff. It's crazy. But I'm gonna go ahead and open it. Oh my god, I'm nervous. I've been watching so many YouTube videos on this. It's unbelievable. Oh, also these things from Best Buy. I got the Mario Kart game and the Crash game, and then I also made sure to get SD card. I did buy Animal Crossing, but it's digital form. Oh my god, I see it. It's in here. So of course it comes with these bags. I order. You guys, it's right here. Oh, here. It's crazy. Oh, backwards. Oh, no, that is backwards. Okay, so it comes just in this small little box. I'm sure, like, if you've been on YouTube like me, you probably know how this goes, but you open it from here. I'm so excited. Oh my god, I'm so excited. It's so pretty. Wait, how do I open it from here? Oh, you just toss this open. Oh my god. So this is the Switch. And then it has the instructions. You know, you have your, like these guys. And then your charger. And then just this box. This is it. Oh my god, this is it. I've waited so long and watched so many YouTube. Like I said, oh my god, it's dusty already. Like I said, gray was the only one that I could get. I did buy a screen protector with it, so it's over there. I'm gonna go ahead and put it on. But I just wanted to do a video unboxing it. Oh my god, this is crazy, you guys. It's so pretty. It's really, really light. I was expecting it to be very heavy, but it's not. But let me put the SD card in, or I'll put that in later, and turn it on. So this turn on switch is right here. Turn it on. Oh my god, I've been dying. I want this part that clicks, my favorite. So you have your Nintendo. It's coming. Oh, I'm so excited to literally put that on. Oh my god, it's so pretty. So I got Animal Crossing to work. Alright, so I was finally able to download Animal Crossing right here. I'm waiting for that to download. But thank you guys so much for watching my video. I'm going to link all of my social media and stuff down below. Hopefully I'm going to be talking more about Nintendo Switch. And I've never been really one to be into gaming, but I decided, you know, Animal Crossing is a good way to start. So if you guys have any recommendations or anything, just let me know down below. And thank you so much for watching.